Want to get 10x faster with an A? Here are 7 Chrome extensions you must try in 2025, and we're just getting started. The best part, all of these are free. All right, let's do this one. Extension 1, ChatGPT Writer. This is an official Chrome extension that gives you access to ChatGPT right from your browser. So whenever you're writing an email, blog draft, tweet, message, or reply, this extension allows you to auto-generate responses in seconds. It has a built-in prompt that says write a 300-word email requesting X, and then you can type in whatever it is that you want. So let's say I need to ask my boss for more vacation days. Then you hit enter and boom, ChatGPT spits out a nicely written email that you can send as is or edit to your liking. If you're a content creator or freelancer, this one's for you. Extension 2, Grammarly AI. Now, if you're not a pro writer or editor, this tool is going to save you tons of time. Grammarly is a super popular writing assistant that helps you save hours proofreading emails, documents, and other written communication. Their A features include smart spelling and vocabulary enhancements, tone adjustments, and overall writing suggestions that pop up as you type. Let me show you how it works. I have this really long paragraph with some errors and complex sentences. And as I highlight each sentence, Grammarly suggests improvements for clarity, tone, and style. So for this first sentence, it's quite wordy. They suggest deleting a very clear understanding of. Then it highlights this and suggests replacing it with that. I'll accept this change. And lastly, it proposes a simpler way to phrase this entire sentence. When I hover over the icon, I see a breakdown of why the suggested change is better. For example, it's more concise and uses stronger language. Pretty cool. By the way, extension 3, Tome AI. You know those days when you have a great idea but no clue where to start? Well, Tome AI is here to save the day. With this Chrome extension, turning simple prompts into presentations is a piece of cake. You can quickly pull up Tome AI by pressing C, or Alt-Shift and T from there. Simply enter your prompt like, top 3 reasons why cats are better than dogs, and hit enter. In seconds, Tome AI whips up a stunning 3-slide deck complete with charts, images, and text. Just click download and boom, it saves directly to your computer. Students and business professionals will love this one. Extension 4, Notion AI. Next up is Notion AI, a powerful productivity tool designed to help you organize your thoughts, automate repetitive tasks, and boost your project planning. It's like having an AI assistant that understands your workflow. All you need to do is type /I and you've got access to features like auto summary, which analyzes your long to our podcast episode notes and condenses them into bullet points. It also has advanced search capabilities, so you can easily find what you're looking for. With Notion, you'll never lose track of your ideas again. Extension 5, Wordtune AI. Wordtune is a fantastic tool that helps you rewrite and improve any text in a single click. It's perfect for crafting clear and concise messages. Imagine being able to rewrite your work in different styles like professional, casual, polite, rude, or a legal contract. No joke, and Wordtune can handle all of that with ease. You can even adjust the tone of specific words and phrases. Plus, it integrates seamlessly with Google Docs, Outlook, and other platforms. To use it, highlight the text you want to rewrite, click on the Wordtune extension, choose the style you prefer, and voila, your text is transformed instantly. It's like having a personal writing coach. Try it today and make your writing shine. Whether it's reports, emails, or essays, Wordtune AI has got your back. Extension 6, Copy.ai. Have you ever struggled to come up with the right words to market your business or promote your social media? Well, worry no more. With Copy.ai, you can generate marketing copy, social posts, and ad text instantly. All you need to do is highlight the text box, click on the copy, AI extension, enter your prompt, and in seconds, it will generate some amazing options for you to choose from. It's so easy. Even someone without any marketing experience could do it. And the best part, it's free to use. So why wait? Start using Copy.ai today and take your social media game to the next level. Extension 7, Liner AI. Last but not least, we have Liner AI, a revolutionary Chrome extension that helps you stay productive by highlighting and summarizing important content from various websites. Using advanced AI technology, Liner quickly pulls out key information from web pages, saving you valuable time and effort. You can highlight text and get a detailed summary, or even save the highlighted text as a PDF with a single click. This makes it easier than ever to share key parts of articles with colleagues or clients. With Liner, you'll never have to waste time reading through lengthy articles again. So whether you're researching for work, studying, or simply looking to stay informed, Liner AI is the perfect Chrome extension for you. Now that you've seen these amazing tools, which extension will you try first? Comment below. Before you go, don't forget to subscribe for more tips and productivity hacks. We've got awesome content coming your way. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.